So here is how we can see live images on Google Maps. So let me explain it from multiple different angles. Let's get started. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, we have the ability to open up the Google Maps. As you can see, I have the latest update with the latest logo. So make sure you get the latest version if you don't have one. But get inside like this and you can browse the map as such. I have just zoomed in on a random town, and as you can see, I can already see the images, the satellite images. So if you mean that, you can essentially change the way you are looking at the map by clicking on this layers icon. So if I tap on it like this, I can go back to the default mode of the app, which is this one, probably what you are used to seeing all the time. But as you can see, you can switch to the satellite, and it's not like live capture of the images, but it's like real live imagery from the satellite. So that's the point behind it, and this is how you can get it inside of your Google Maps. Right, so you can as well switch to the terrain and see like the hills and things which are kind of like higher up in altitude. So that is how it kind of works, right? Me personally, I like to set it the default one, but if I want to see like the real life situation, the best part or the best way to do it is to go and enable the traffic mode, which will give me the view of the roads, and I can see if they are green, meaning that there isn't any congestion, or that everything flows smoothly. But yeah, you can see in many cases, if you go to like very populated cities, a lot of times you're going to notice that there is something going on and that there are some congestions, and this is based on the live images. This is live imagery of cars being lined up in there, so it gives you real life and live data available right away. And the last thing which you might be referring to is the street view, which are also captured at a specific time, but it's also a nice way to see the street. So you can find any street that you like, hold down on it to drop a pin, and you should be able to see the street view icon like that. So you can get inside and essentially move around and see the situation in there. So you can of course move in there. It's not like live, right, in a sense that it's being captured right now. So this has been done in September 2025, and you can as well go back in a time like this and find even older images of the same street. But that's the thing that a lot of people are referring to as well. So I hope that I was able to explain it all. If you have some more thoughts and questions about this, let me know below. It's possible I'll make more videos about it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.